We are moving! We don't know where the heck we're gonna live, but we are getting out of this condo. It is way too small for us now, and we hopefully are gonna move into a bigger space, a bigger house, and we cannot wait to bring you guys along. We have 4 hours to get this house ready, and it is looking rough right now, but we think we can do it. Fingers crossed. Look at all this junk. I'm kind of stressing out. No, I am stressing out. We still have to paint all of this wall, and the photographer will be here at 2, so gotta keep moving. Now I'm tackling the bathroom. Don't even get me started. Yikes. Sorry this vlog is kind of all over the place. We've been so busy that I haven't really had time to set up the camera, but I'm gonna get this organized and I'll try and show you guys how it comes together. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, loving romance in the madness. You got me good, baby, keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I think you're addicted to drama. It keeps you sleeping at night.
I just fall all the way.
Right, blaming me for causing your insanity. I'm pretty sure you're born like this. Talk before you think it's your original touch, but I guess it kinda works on you. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, loving romance in the madness. You got me good, baby, keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up.
I'm about to put these cute kitchen towels on the stove. Autumn leaves and pumpkins, please. I got these at the Target dollar spot, and they were, I think, like $3. They're really cute. I like the little tassels. But yeah, everything's going good. I'll kind of show you around real quick. There are still things we have to do, but it's looking pretty good. My little kiddo, she's watching TV. Babe is in here cleaning the bathroom. Doing good. This is the worst job ever.
It's not even that bad.
It is. And then in the bedroom, the paint is still drying. We literally have like 40 minutes and we're still painting. This is crazy. So much stress. But it is coming together for sure. I'm so happy with this bookshelf. I love how it got organized. That took forever last night. And then we have just like a cute little flower display thing. Then my mirror. I don't know if I've shown you guys this. I think I have. I'm obsessed with this mirror. The detail is so beautiful. Can't believe I got it for only $80. It's huge. There's a lot of light in here today, so that's good for pictures. Here's the bed. I didn't have time to get new pillows, so it looks really janky, but we're just gonna go with it. And then in the closet, I think the closet is basically done too. There's nothing really to do in here. Everything's looking good. Now I just gotta work on the deck outside, so that's where I'm off to now.
I know that you know
really excited to work with Hoover for this video. James actually has been wanting a shop vac for some time, so we ended up buying this one off Amazon and also this leaf blower right here. This one is really cool. Well, they're all cool. The whole line is called One Power, and the reason why we love it is because the batteries can be switched between every product. So I can take this battery out super easy. I'll show you guys how it works. So all you have to do is take this battery out. It slides like that, and it's awesome because this battery can work with this product as well. As you can see down here, there is a battery, and you can just switch them out through the products, which is really handy. All you have to do is charge the batteries up with this power cord right here and then slide it back in. I'll slide it so you guys can see how it works. It's really simple. Slide it and it hooks on like that. This thing is really powerful. We have been using it trying to get ready for selling our house and getting everything cleaned up. So James has been working with this one a lot this week. And then the leaf blower, because we are moving, we were hoping to use this in our new backyard a lot. So that's the intention of why we got it. But it did help with our patio, getting it all, you know, all the leaves out there off the deck. I thought I would mention them because there's nothing more satisfying to me than new cleaning products. It's just so fun to talk about. But if you guys are interested, I will leave my Amazon link below so you can check it out. I think this personally would be a good, like, guy's Christmas gift. So that's a thought too. But yes, I will leave my link in case you're interested.
Summer love. Oh, I wish I could rewind it. Only us. Oh, I left you when we were blinded. Now time is up, and we tried so hard to fight it, but we knew we couldn't fight it.
Okay, we made it. We got done just in time. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the bedroom first, and then I'm gonna do a full house tour because I know so many of you have been asking me throughout the years, and I just never got to do one because, I mean, my life was a mess. But now it is perfectly clean. I don't think it'll ever be this clean. So let's go. So this is my bedroom. I am actually running to HomeGoods later today to get more pillows because these ones are disgusting. They're so old. None of it matches my room. I don't even know what that is about. As you can see, there are two different side tables because James's desk was right here and it was taking up so much space. So we freed up all of that, and then that is like one of my makeup drawers. We have to go downstairs and get the other nightstand, which is in the garage. But right now, this is what we're working with. Honestly, it doesn't really matter because it's just for pictures, but on the day of the actual showing and stuff, we will change that out. And then over here is the other side of the room and just houses our TV. That is our hamper right there. There's a right and a left side, so James and I both have one. Ignore the laundry out there. I have to put that downstairs. And then this bookshelf came together really well. I love how it turned out. It got super organized. Then there is the mirror. I turned it a bit so it's kind of in the corner, which I like a lot better. I think it looks good. And then we have that plant there. Just fills up a little bit of the space. And that's about it, you guys. Let me come over here to my nightstand area. This is my side of the bed. I just have my diffuser, my little crystal, my Alexa, and then down there is just like my Bible, devotional, different books I'm reading. And yeah, not too exciting. These pictures I printed off from Etsy. I just got them at Walgreens. You can print, I think this is the poster print size, and they were really inexpensive. I think under $6. Make sure to always look for the coupon codes. Walgreens is great because it has like 60 to 70% off of their prints a lot of the time, so they're really inexpensive. I just love how much brighter it is in here. All of the light just looks so good. I think the wall is like 100 times better painted white. And then over here, we still have to add the light switch. This is my closet. If you guys have watched my full closet transformation, you've already seen this. But I love how the space turned out. I think whoever buys this is really going to love it. There is a lot of storage space in all of these cabinets. This, of course, is like where James keeps all of his hats. I have not organized this one over here. It is a disaster still. So I have to go through it and really get rid of things, give things away to you guys, do all the things. But yeah, hopefully somebody likes this little closet area. Alright, that is where I'm going to end the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing it all come together for the showings. They went great and we did sell it in that first weekend. We were so happy and relieved, so everything is good to go. We just closed today, signed the papers, and we are ready to move. So I will be showing you guys our moving vlog, and then of course when we move in, you'll be seeing all the fun things with the empty house tour, decorating for Christmas, and so much more. So if you aren't subscribed already, I would love if you considered subscribing. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment what you're most excited to see in the next coming months, because I want to make sure I'm filming content that you guys want to see. And I will talk to you all very soon. Bye!